Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakhe. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe. So indaba ezinhle kakhulu bafethu, transfer news, young player yase-South Africa bafethu, uSmith sesayine ne-team yalaphana e-England, i-QPR yabo. Cabanga from Stellenbosch to English football. So i-QPR siyayazi ukuthi ine-history enkulu bafethu ebholeni lase-England. Dala idlala laphana even top division English Premier League, but-ke in recent years efacea ama-relegation yabo. So uSmith bafethu umdlali omncane otalented odlala laphana emuva kuStellenbosch, njengoba bengishilo sesayine i-deal ne-QPR. Kuthiwa-ke i-deal abamsayine ngayo it's around 6.1 million rands yabo, ku-local currency yase-South Africa yabo. So mangibona le number le, ngiyacabanga amanye ama-team bafethu siwafavorayo bengeke athengise umdlali ku-European team ngaboma-6 million. Bazodelay i-progress yomdlali, bamgcine eSouth Africa ukuthi bamnike boma-30,000 bona rand a month, bangamthengisi. But-ke asikho lapha, siqhubeke ngomdlali. So lo mdlali lona uneminyaka o-20 bafethu, wenza ama-headlines ngempela past season laphana kuloku, especially ku-AFCON under 20 bafethu, odefende kahle kakhulu, kwazi ukurida igame kahle. Past season nje ubonisa i-composure, i-real balls because une-height imsebenzele ngempela. Manje kuthiwa into nje njengoba bebamfuna sebavumelene ne-price laphana ne-Stellenbosch ne-QPR, bese kusele nje ukuthi umdlali avumelane nama-personal terms wakhe laphana. Boy-South African defender kuthiwa-ke iqala i-new path yakhe laphana e-England bafethu. Cabanga one of the most creative or competitive football leagues, QPR, ngoba idlala laphana, I think it's second division, yeah. Sekwazile ngempela ukusayina lo mdlalo exciting kangaka. Lo mdlali bebhekiwe ngempela eSouth Africa kakhulu after ama-performances wakhe laphana ku-AFCON yabo under 20, yeah. So yeah, I think uSmith uraw bafethu, and i-maturity yakhe uhlakaniphe kakhulu beyond his age yabo, in terms of like mangimbukela the warida ngakhona igame, yazi mangibukela ama-under 20 bengithi wow, why ama-defender amaningi angadlali njengalo mfana lo, cause offside trap, like that dictator laphana emuva beba hold the line, like i-defense beba-defender ngathi badala labafana laba against abo-Nigeria, against amanye ama-teams like amakhulu ku-African football yabo. Yes, I think it was Nigeria or Ghana lapho ngimbukele. Yeah, it's very mature. Like i-line bebaba ne-line, straight line laphana at the back from labantu laba badlala boma left back, right back, because bebazi ukuthi okay lama-African teams abadlala nawo ane-speed, but-ke umfana bekakwazi ukuhandle i-pressure so well yabo. So le move lena is one of the few South Africans ngempela abadlala laphana e-England. Few South Africans abadlala e-England. English Premier League akekho umuntu okhona lapha engimcabangayo manje, maybe kuma junior, kuma second, third, fourth division maybe, khona uFoster or uFoster lo odlala iBurnley, but-ke overall nje bancane abadlala lapha ne-England wase-South Africa. Ilona what I like about iStellenbosch bafethu, babuilde i-reputation yokuthi bakwazi ukupromote ama-youngsters, babanike i-platform. Sibonile-ke nabanye abo-Adams, sibonile nabanye abo-Reiners bakhula ngempela lapha, bathola i-attention yabona. uSmith-ke is one of the breakout stars laphana ku-Stellenbosch last season-ke, seyenotiswe-ke ama-European scouts, ingakho-ke esithola laphana ku-QPR. QPR isheshe fast ukuthi imsayine lo mdlali lo, because beya-attracta i-interest ngempela different parts of the world yabo. I-height yakhe yamvumela umfana ukuthi ngempela compete laphana ebholeni lase-England, especially ku-defense, because bathanda abantu abade abakwazi ukudilana nama-aerial balls. Overall nje simfisela inhlanhla uSmith laphana, i-success laphana e-Europe, ukuthi a-represent i-South Africa kahle kakhulu yabo. Generation, it could be the first generation of ama-defender angadlala overseas, because South Africa kurare ukuthi sihambise ama-defender ayodlala lapha ne-England. Sagcina kudala bafowethu, I think sagcina ukuthi abe yi-success ngempela. Ngikhuluma nge-success, not just ukuya uFortune lo bedlala i-Manchester United, abo-Lucas Radebe bake bafika baba yi-success, huge success, but-ke sokunesikhathi sagcina ukupromota like ama-world class players azoba respected laphana e-England. Ama-defenders, ngikhuluma ngama-defender bafowethu, asiyibambelana, simfisela inhlanhla umfana. Ngithi nje danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe bafowethu.